What's going on, team? Geometry. Royals represent as per usual. So this is quiz 5.0 you can read. This is the last question from the quiz. Just a quick how to do it guide before you turn in your quiz corrections tomorrow. Alright, let's get into it. So in this question you notice that there was a library. I have a laser pointer on this thing here. Where's my... Alright, here we go. Alright, so there's a lot. Here's my lightsaber. There's a library right here. Miss Banks standing here, Dean Claiborne right there. Maybe you had C and B reversed, doesn't really matter how you did it, but you had a triangle and something like this. Alright, so then we were told the angle between Dean Claiborne and the library was like 42 degrees. So right here, I'll call that 42 degrees. Oh, it looks terrible, but you're used to it at this point. We know Dean Claiborne is standing 85 feet away from the library. We also know that Principal Banks is at a 70-degree angle to the library. Okay, so given all this, the first question was, sorry, this is moving a little bit. First question was, how far is Banks from the library? So they wanted us to find out what was this distance right here, Banks to the library. So I set up law of sines. I said 70 is across from 85, 42 is across from the thing we want. So, law of sines looks like this. The sine of 42 over Banks to the library, I call it BL, equals sine of 70. This is terrible handwriting. Alright, sine of 70 over 85. Sorry, I'm having my 3-year-old brother write this. Just kidding, this is actually my handwriting. Alright, 85, oh, I'm cross multiplying. Crick out. Alright, so take a second, make sure you believe what I've done. Alright, so, can I use the color of my pen here? No. Oh well. Alright, so, oh yeah, because I'm on a green background. So I'm going to divide, because I want to get BL, this, by itself. So I'll divide by sine of 70. Don't hate. Alright, sine of 70. And then I'm left with BL by itself on this side, because these canceled. And what did my calculator tell me? This was 60.5. So that's the answer to part A. Okie dokie. Alright, so that's part A, so let me just move this over here. That's all part A. Alright, now for part B, alright, I did find out I have a different color here. Alright, for part B, I am looking for the distance between Miss Banks and Dean Claiborne. So to find this, I needed to know what's the angle across from it so I could do law of sines. So I took 70, 42, I added them together. 70 plus 42 is 112. I then said triangle sum theorem to your face, and I got this. Subtracting gave me 68 degrees. Alright, so 68 degrees is the angle right here. Blah. Alright, so now what I want to do, let me shrink this so I get some more space. How do I shrink this here? Shrink a little. Alright, so now, like I said, I'm looking for, the question wants me to find out the distance from B to C. So once again, I'll use the law of sines. So I'll set it up. Sine of 68 over the side across from it, which is BC. Honestly. Alright, seriously? Here, equals the sine of 70 over 85. I could have chosen to do sine of 42 over this side, BL, which I found is 60.5, but I don't trust my work. I'm worried that this answer that I found is actually incorrect, and then I don't want it to mess with my answer for this next part. So, that's why I did that. Alright, so as I continue to work here, let me scroll down. Do I know how to scroll down? Yeah. Oh, I do. Alright, so I now cross multiply. I'll just do that real fast. Bow. Then I'm going to divide to get BC by itself, like so. Now you'll notice that. I get some stuff to cancel out here. These cancel, and then according to my calculator, I can find BC equal to 88. Oh my goodness. There we go. Equal to 83.9. Hope the video made sense and you learned something. Have a great day.